G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just sharing with you today. We're out at Kooralbyn, beautiful neck of the woods. It definitely is in the woods. We've got a body corporate job on here. We've got 4 separate buildings and a pool house, a little bit of low level, but we're coming through. We should hopefully get this done today. We've got a boom here on site also if required, but working from the top all the way down. Running 2 soft wash machines, 2 pressure washers, some commercial grade cleaning products in our surfactant today for our soft washing. We're using bubblegum wash and some BBC. That's from Softwash North Queensland. Ripping through it, doing a fantastic job, and wait till you see the results.
Thank you.